Good morning, guys. It is Monday the 5th? 6th? 5th? I don't know. I don't know what day it is, but it is Monday. And I just woke up and I'm going to be getting ready for school. I figured I would vlog these next few days because I actually have things going on in my life for the next few days, so yeah, that's why I'm gonna vlog. And I'm sorry for the way I look. I literally just woke up 2 minutes ago and I'm still really tired. If you guys haven't seen my Twitter, I got my nails done and they look really good. I really like them. I'm really happy with them. So yeah, I'm just gonna get ready and go about my day, and you guys could just see what that looks like. I'm sorry if it is boring, but I know that this week is the only week I'm actually gonna be doing things, so I might vlog every day or every other day. I haven't decided yet. I'm just afraid with vlogging every other day that my vlogs will get too long, and that's really boring. Nobody wants to see my life that much. So I'm just gonna vlog maybe daily. I don't know yet. And I've been working on a video. I know that I missed last week's uploads. I'm trying to get back on track again. I might end up shortening it to 2 times a week because 3 times a week is a lot to upload. So that's what I'm thinking on doing for now. But yeah, I've just been working on a video to to edit and upload soon. So hopefully that will be up maybe Wednesday, I'm hoping. So yeah, and I will see you guys in just a few moments when I'm all ready to go. But I'm back. I'm really out of breath right now because I literally had to run inside my house because as I was pulling out of my driveway, my U.S. history teacher sends us a message saying that basically to bring our textbook in for test corrections because we're allowed to do that on our tests and stuff and some of our quizzes. So he tells me this. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. He sends out the notification at 7:58. And most people are already in their cars at that time. Why would you send a notification saying that to bring our textbooks that are supposed to be home into school to at 7:58? Sorry, I lost really bad track of that sentence. But yeah, it was just really messed up. So I had to leave my car in the driveway, and I ran inside, grabbed my textbook, came back, and now I'm filming. So yeah, not much going on right now, but later there's stuff going on. After school, I won't be able to vlog in school because my school is really extremely strict about phones, so I won't be able to vlog and stuff. I'm not gonna tell you guys what I'm getting done to my hair yet. That will have to be a surprise. Sorry, but yeah, it's gonna be a surprise because I don't want anybody to know what I'm doing to my hair yet. I don't even know if they can get it done in a hair appointment, so we'll have to see, because if they can't get it in one hair appointment, I don't want to make people wonder what it's gonna look like when it's done, when I could just show you guys in like one video of what it looks like. So if I get it done in this video, my hair will be the thumbnail, if it's like fully done. So hopefully I could get it done today and do the gray hair thumbnail. So yeah, and I've talked for a really long time in this car. Like, it's probably extremely boring right now, so I'm just gonna drive, and I'm just gonna get to school. I will see you guys after school. Bye. Hey guys, sorry if I look really red right now. The sun is like behind me and it's not looking so good, so I'm a little bit red right now. So I finished school. I went to Waffle House with Tony, and now I'm at the hair salon. So we're just gonna go in and get my hair done. I'm a few minutes early, but hopefully they'll take me in early. I finished most of my homework in school, which I'm really proud about, because that means I only have like about an hour left of homework, which is like not bad because I don't really know what time I'm gonna get out of here. I'm thinking about 8 o'clock. So I'm gonna get out of here probably pretty late if I'm right. So, and I'm about like 40 minutes away from home. So yeah, I'm not gonna get back till like 9 o'clock, almost 9:30ish. So hopefully, or no, 9 o'clock, yeah. So hopefully they'll be able to get me out quicker, and then I could go straight to the hair place. Or, sorry, I could go straight home. I got distracted about something and I was looking at the hair place. So hopefully I could go straight home, and hopefully they'll finish up fairly quickly. I will be showing you guys like video footage of me getting my hair done, and I'm gonna insert that right after this like video clip. So yeah, I think that's all I really need to say. Hey guys, so I'm finally back home. That's my dog sneezing and coughing in the background, so sorry about that. But finally just got home from the hair salon. Actually, let me go back out in the light so you guys can see what my hair looks like. I don't think you could really tell too much on camera, but my hair is like a lot blonder now. So this is like all blonde down here. I have to go back again. This is not what I wanted done yet. That's going to be coming. They told me it was gonna take a few tries to finally get it to be the color that I want it to be. So I have to go back again in 6 weeks, and then hopefully one more time after that, and my hair should be the way I want it to be. Hey guys, so sorry for not ending the previous vlog. Like good, I guess. I just ended it really abruptly. I just finished my homework and eating, so now I am just sitting in my bed watching Kitchen Nightmares, my favorite show now, waiting for my video clips to import into my laptop so I can edit them and hopefully upload them in the next hour. So yeah, hopefully I can get that up tonight so you guys can start watching it, and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm just gonna be editing and watching Kitchen Nightmares and stuff. So I'm just gonna end it here, and I love you guys so much, and thank you guys so much for supporting my channel, and I love you guys a lot, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.